Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to show you how to make Chick-fil-A sauce. Cue the music. Well, hey everybody, I am Chef John Politte, and you are watching It's Only Food. If this is your first time watching this channel, or if you just want to learn how to continue to make awesome food, or maybe even learn how to start your own cooking channel right here on YouTube, then do yourself a favor and click on that little subscribe button in the corner, and then hit that little notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well every now and then I like to head to our local Chick-fil-A and grab one of those spicy chicken sandwiches, and I gotta remind them to put extra Chick-fil-A sauce in the bag because I love it with those wedge cut fries, and of course the sandwich, I smother some of that on there too. And I figured, hey, what the heck, I want to try to figure out how to make this, so I looked it up online. There's a ton of copycat recipes, and there's actually a pretty cute little story about it on the Chick-fil-A website as well at chickfila.com. But you clicked on this video for me to show you how to make Chick-fil-A sauce, so let's head into the kitchen and I'll show you what we got. We're going to start out with a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce. I've just got some Cattleman's brand here, you can use whatever you want. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. So, quick, easy video today. We're just going to mix this up and then we're going to plate it up. So let's go into the kitchen and start whipping this up. Alright, I'm going to start off with, I'm going to put the mayonnaise in first as our base. So, get that in there. And the honey. Barbecue sauce. Yellow mustard. Lemon juice, and last but not least, our Dijon mustard. I will leave the recipe and the link for the recipe that I got it from in the description box below with all the measurements, so you can make this at home too. Now I'm just gonna get a whip here, and then I'm gonna whip this up and see if it even looks like the stuff you get in those little packages at Chick-fil-A. And taste as well. Sure looks like it. Smells like it too. I don't have all the emulsifiers and everything in there that they need for it when it's packaged, but there it is. I have got some tater tots in the oven right now. We're going to plate those up, put this on the side, take some awesome pictures of it for social media, lay those pictures in the timeline with some really groovy music, and then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. So enjoy the music. Alright, well there is the sauce, and I threw some tater tots on here just to use them. I didn't have any wedge cut french fries or a chicken sandwich, so I just did some tater tots on there. We're going to use those to taste the sauce. I'm going to throw the camera up on a tripod and we'll go into our tasting shot. Alright, got the plate full of goodies right here, and I got a tater tot. I'm going to get a nice crisp one here, and we're going to give this lovely tater tot with the house-made Chick-fil-A sauce. Perfect. That tastes exactly like it. Tastes that mustard, that honey, the mayonnaise in there to give it a base, the lemon juice. It's got that great barbecue sauce in there as well. I will leave all this below in the description box for you. Check it out. Quick, simple, easy to make Chick-fil-A sauce. All right, well, thanks so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to go down to my description box and check out all those awesome links that I've got down there. I've got one for my seasoning. I have an Etsy store where I sell all my wonderful gourmet seasonings. And then also make sure you stalk me on social media. All those links are also provided down in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and like this video. Leave all your comments right down below. And then make sure you share this video with everybody that you know. Take care, and we'll see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.